I'm Monica and welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I want to show you how to stuff eggs. During Easter we do all sorts of different things in Poland with eggs. One of the things that we do is stuffing them. Today I'm going to show you how to stuff them with eggs. I know it sounds weird, but basically what you're going to need is only the eggs, some sugar, and of course horseradish. So let's start. So what I did, I hard-boiled 6 eggs. Some of them I will use for the stuffing. We're gonna start with the stuffing. I take 3 eggs, peel them, then cut them in half, and use the yolks and put them in a bowl. So the filling should be smooth, so the easiest way to do is just crush the eggs into kind of paste. And then I add 3 teaspoons of sugar and a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. And mix it all well. So to the egg yolks, I'm gonna add the egg whites. So what I need to do is chop them very finely. I'm gonna mix everything together and assemble the devil eggs. So to my yolk, I'm gonna add the whites. Add 2 big teaspoons of horseradish. Mix everything well and then add a pinch of salt and pepper. The last thing we have to do is assemble the eggs. So I peel extra eggs and then fill them up with the filling that I made. To add some color, I'm gonna put a bit of chives on top of each of the eggs. Enjoy stuffing eggs with me. Please share with me what do you stuff your eggs with if you do at all. Thank you for being with me today. For more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being with me today. Bye bye, see you next time.